The Shiba Inu team has made an exciting announcement about the ecosystem, and marketing specialist Lucy has reposted a crucial update for holders of the SHIB ecosystem. We're going to dive into it, talk about it in this video. It has to do with LEASH. LEASH has just over 107,000 in their total supply, making it very, very scarce. And here's why LEASH could absolutely go nuts once SHIBARIUM comes out, not only because there's only 107,000, but now new use cases are starting to be formed for Bone and LEASH. The Shiba Inu Discord channel is buzzing with many rewarding activities right now as SHIBARIUM mainnet launch approaches next month. But participating in some top campaigns in the community channel requires the acquisition of LEASH. That's right, to have a say-so or to have a role in holding and making sure you have a voice, holding a considerable amount of LEASH is something that you're going to need to do. So according to Lucy, renowned Shiba Inu community influencer, she took to Twitter on Tuesday to emphasize this, reposting an important announcement directed to all LEASH holders. Here it is. I'll read it right here for you. Calling all LEASH holders. Join SHIBARIUM Tech Discord. Connect your wallet using Collabland to obtain the crucial LEASH Basic or LEASH Basic staked role. It's a must-have for upcoming activities. Remember, you need at least, and then she goes on to tell you. So check out her Twitter post from yesterday to make sure that you know exactly what you need there in that regard. Lucy urged the token holders to join the SHIBARIUM Tech Discord if you're interested in this opportunity. For context, roles are some design labels used in Discord servers if you're not used to that. Per the update, some of the crucial roles needed to be in the Shiba Inu ecosystem to participate in upcoming activities are LEASH Basic and LEASH Basic staked roles. And again, Lucy breaking all of this down for us over on Twitter. And again, exciting times ahead, not only for LEASH and Bone, guys, but this particular update, I think, just is the tip of the iceberg in terms of how this ecosystem is going to come together here, and just how important it is that, in my opinion, if you hold every little piece of the ecosystem, I think that's best, whether it's, SHIB, LEASH, Bone, and even the new treat token will be rewarded to people as well. We're going to learn more about that here in the coming weeks and months as well. And regarding regarding how much LEASH you need, you only need at least one LEASH to qualify, okay, in order to be able to, get ready for what's coming with LEASH. So one LEASH right now, by the way, if you're interested, is sitting roughly at about $417. LEASH is up about 6% right now on the daily. So exciting times ahead for SHIB. Now, in addition to this, given the rising hack incidents in the crypto space, with the most recent occurring on the Poly network, the SHIB community has expressed concerns over the integrity of Collabland. They asked if connecting their wallets to the full-service community management website that curates membership there based on tokens is safe. Lucy submitted that Collabland is safe and resistant to hacks, which is why numerous projects have employed their services there. So a lot of people had questions related to Collabland. Don't want to be connecting your wallets to something you're unaware of. Totally get that, right? Now, this development comes shortly after BitTrue, a leading crypto trading platform, supported LEASH with the LEASH USDT pair on its platform, and XTCOM was one of the first top exchanges to list LEASH earlier this year. I think there's going to be a lot more exchanges coming for LEASH and Bone as the year progresses, especially as SHIBARIUM gets closer. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.